Hey everyone, so here's the recap for 2nd December. Right, the first trade was a loss because of unexpected Brexit news that came out. But how I entered the trade was based on the 15-minute after it broke this resistance and then formed new support. I waited for London volume to kick in and for this latest candle to close above the previous daily highs. So once the candle actually flipped bullish, on the next candle, I took my entry with my stop loss aggressive below the current wick at that point in time. So when Brexit news came out, it hit the entire stop loss because the move was too fast. So the second trade was missed on this short here because I was looking at this area here that was stuck inside the range, and then because the resist and because there were minor zones that were in the way, I did not take the trade. Plus the fact that this candle here did not have a top wick to grab liquidity, I let the trade go. But in the end, we see that it does fall down to this 4-hour zone at 139,900, which was previous support. So for future reference, when price actually comes off a daily or higher time frame zone, it should be able to break all these minor levels. To counter the no top wick trade, I could actually just wait for this wick to be broken and then have a slightly larger stop loss above the wicks. So this would then show that price does want to continue moving down, and then that would be some kind of confirmation for me.